Christmas, operators, and happy holidays. This is Jet Desert Fox, and I'm joined with Daniel from Airsoft GI and Mark from Airsoft GI. We're gonna get in some Christmas gameplay for you guys. I'm gonna be Santa Claus for most of the day. So let's get into the games and happy holidays. All right, let's go spread some Yuletide cheer.
Hey, Dana's coming that side.
Good, good. Come on out. Santa's got a little treat for you. Come on, stick your head out, Brian. I got a holiday gift.
Ow.
Oh,
the quality of being a rep, I still get hit in the dome.
See that? Right in the egg noggin. Oh no, Chris is down.
Hopefully I got
another
that.
one bites the dust. You killed Santa!
Yes! That was my mission! I'm like, yes, it's done!
Alright, so Daniel just killed Santa, so now he's on the naughty list. Let's go get him. Chris, to your left! Whoop. Alright, Elf Squad protection. Good job, Mark. You're on my nice list now. Oh, I got him. Oh, Merry Christmas to me. Oh my God. Oh, that hurts.
All right, so let's give us a little brief description. What just happened?
Oh my God. Oh, my knee. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, it's got my halls decked. Oh, God. Hey, Brian! Santa Claus is coming to town for that ass!
He's moving, he's moving.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!
I just happened to caught that barely.
Ah, I got away. Hey, what's up, operators? It's Jet Desert Fox. Now, as you guys are sitting around opening your gifts from Christmas or Hanukkah or whatever holiday you're celebrating, always make sure to be safe with your airsoft guns. Now, if you've just got an airsoft gun for Christmas, please make sure not to go out into your neighborhood or your local school or anywhere out in public to go play. Please wait till the weekend to play airsoft. Go to your local field or any sanctioned playing area, legal of course. And remember, always be safe with your airsoft gun. All right, let's get back to the video. Santa got a little tired of the shotgun. He needs a little bit more firepower, so we're going with the KWA G36C. We're out here on SC Viper, and we're gonna be playing the Protect Santa's Fortress of Solitude. Got my team around me. Bring it in, team. Bring it in, everybody. All right. This is the Defend Santa's Fortress of Solitude team. Looking for some people to spread some holiday joy to. Woo! All right. God. Alright, so we got 2 attackers. I got one of them. Chris Bass is out there. Oh, God! That was a good shot! Oh, got it. Okay. All right, we just won the defense round. Now it's time for round 2. We're going to switch sides. Now we're attacking the Fortress of Santa Solitude. Whoa! Hang on, I got the palace door.
Coming up right behind you. Look upstairs.
Are they going to respawn?
I don't know. They're kind of camping on them.
Where? In there?
I
don't know.
I'm gonna check it around. Be right back.
Okay.
I want to make a run for the palace.
I'll cover you, I'll cover you.
Make a run.
Ready?
Hold on. Alright. 1, 2, 3.
Bang, bang!
No engagement distance. My bad.
Going out. You alright?
I'm like, how your team, bro?
Oh, man, no man. Hit.
Hey guys, it's Chris and Brian here from WarFighter Airsoft. We just want to say Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays, and also a special thanks to all of our veterans overseas who are serving to protect this country. Thank you very much.
What's up, Airsofters? Adela Relentless here with Red Salt Iron Man, and we just wanted to wish you a Merry Christmas and
a happy holidays.
This is Head Ref Camillo.
Hey guys, this is Head Ref Tony from SC Viper,
We want to wish you a Merry Christmas.
and happy holidays.
Alright operators, that's going to wrap up the Christmas 2013 special. Thank you so much for watching, and once again, Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays to all of you. As always, this is Jet, Desert Fox, and I'll see you on the field.
That guy's got range. Hey, there's a lot moving right. I noticed a small building down to our right at the base of the hill. If the enemy takes this building, that would give